In Illustrator, there are two types of mask available. One is opacity mask, which you can get from transparency panel, and second is clipping mask, which you can get by right clicking or by pressing Ctrl or Command 7. But today I will teach you another way to do a clipping mask, which is a lot better than the way we usually do. Here I have a scene with some objects exceeding the artboard, and I want to mask it. If you want to learn how to make this illustration by yourself, then the tutorial link is in the description box below. Here all objects are distributed in their separate layers. So to mask them, create a new layer on top of all the layers. Name it something like a master layer. Put all the other layers inside the master layer. First, let me show you the problems we often have in our usual masking method. So a rectangle on very top of all, then select all, right click, make clipping mask. Now problem starts from here. It creates a clipping groups which always gets in our way when we try to select the objects inside, and we cannot even lock that group. That is why I despise this method. Now back to the new method. For this method we don't really need to select any objects as long as this box is above all layer. Create a rectangle on top, which is already here. Make sure it is inside the master layer. Now highlight or activate the master layer by clicking on it. Open the layer panel's flyout menu. Click on Make Clipping Mask. Unlike the previous method, this will not create any unnecessary clipping groups. This rectangle mask is somehow linked with the master layer. That is why you don't have to keep this mask layer always on the top anymore. You can place it anywhere, it doesn't matter. You can even put it inside any sub layers, it will still work. Turn the mask on or off by switching the eye. To completely remove the mask, delete the rectangle. Or activate the master layer again and release clipping mask from the flyout menu. I suggest you to lock this rectangle layer while working. I hope you learned something new today. If you did, then please hit the like button and subscribe the channel. It helps me to bring more videos to you. Thank you for watching.